के इस गार्डन में हम घूम रहे हैं और यहाँ पे हमें मिला एक ट्रैक्टर और उसमें बैठे हैं हमारे दादू. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. People from India is watching you. What's your name?
Good now.
Oh, that's nice. And do you do all this every day or like are you doing this every day or how you are? Is it like weekly you do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay guys, bye bye. बड़ा
Bye.
मजा आया. Say
Bye
bye.
bye.
Say bye in Norwegian.
Bye bye, Norwegian.
No, ha det bra.
Ha det bra.
Ha det bra.